Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO Iqoo Z8 to an Android device. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, to set it up, tap on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. And tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Following that, select Receive between Send and History at the bottom of an Android. And tap on Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO if it's not already on. Now, using all of those categories, at the top of VIVO device, tap on all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Last but not least, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!